I have to study music. I have to study every facet of music. And initially, it was a hobby, but then it slowly and gradually emanated and germinated into this sort of artistic infatuation. And so,
And when you look at sound from a physics perspective, sound is a very fundamental basic phenomenon. There's an impact, and this impact derives from a force. So there's a force. And when there's a force, let's take an analysis of the physics of sound on a very molecular level, on an infinitesimal level. When there's a force, this force creates an impact. Yes, impact creates energy, or emerges energy, emerges.